Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about is matter around us pure. So first of all we have to talk about the purity. What is the purity of substance? There are two kind of characteristics here. The one is pure means that there is no mixing in substance. If we are taking one substance, so there should be only one substance in it. Okay, like if we talk about NaCl, here we have a bowl in which will be store some NaCl. Okay, NaCl like this. Okay, this is NaCl. We are not adding another kind of things in this bowl with NaCl. So this is the pure substance. Okay, one more thing. If we are talking about glucose, so the glucose is here. So this is a pure substance. If we are adding some water in it, in the case of adding some water into the glucose substances, so this is a mixture. Okay, many people understand like pure milk. Pure milk is a pure substance. Not pure milk has many kind of substance involved, like fat, protein, vitamin, many kind of things in the milk you will be observed, like H2 also. So this kind of pure milk is pure for the local normal understanding level. If we are talking about the scientific level, so in the scientific term it is not pure actually, because milk has many kind of things. Okay, like if you talk about pure water, so pure water is not pure because pure water has minerals, H2O, hydrogen, oxygen, and then many things involved in this kind of thing. Okay, so this is also a mixture. Pure air, we are talking about, there in this ground the pure air is blowing up, so this is not the correct thing in if we are talking about the scientific term. In the scientific term, the pure air is a not pure, it is a mixture. Which kind of things, which kind of mixture is air? Nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen, carbon dioxide, many more things, like CFC, carbon monoxide, CO, and nitrogen, helium, hydrogen, many more things. Okay, so the pure substance is only one substance. First I have to take a pen and then delete all the things. And the pure water, if we talk about the pure water, if we remove all the minerals, from the water, all the bacteria from the minerals water, all the soil dust, sand, remove all the contents from the water, only H2O is there in the beaker, in the glass, in the bottle. So this kind of H2O is called pure substance. Okay, now talk about the next thing. What is mixture? Mixture is another compound. It is constitute two or more substances in any proportion. If we talk about the NaCl, if we talk about NaCl, and in the NaCl we are adding some water, so this kind of composition is called mixture. If you are adding sugar in the water, if you are adding lemon juice into the water, so it is a mixture. Okay, so there are many kind of examples here. Okay, you can take it. Air is a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen or carbon dioxide, etc. Here one more thing, mixture is two kind of things. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous, we will talk it about later, the next video. Okay, in this video we have talked about the pure substance and the mixture. The group of pure substance is called mixture. Okay, now that's it in this video. Okay.